Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Facebook account if you see the message, "We disabled your account for 180 days." So why did this happen? Usually, Facebook disables accounts if your activity violates their terms of use or community standards. This could be because your account was reported or flagged for suspicious activity. The good news is Facebook gives you 180 days to fix this. If you appeal within that period, you can recover your account. But if you wait too long, it could be permanently disabled. To start, open your browser and go to Google. Search for Facebook Help Center and open the official page. In the Help Center, use the search bar and type disabled. Look for the article titled, "My personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled." If eligible, you'll see an appeal button. Click it, log into your account and describe your situation. Explain that you didn't violate the rules and provide any evidence to support your claim. Keep in mind, the appeal button may not appear if Facebook determines your violation is severe. But as long as you act within 180 days, you have a good chance of restoring your account. And that's it. Simply log in, submit your appeal, and wait for Facebook's response. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our next videos for more tips.